Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M4 versus the Dodge Challenger. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. The M4 is known for its refined performance and premium experience, while the Challenger delivers an exhilarating, old-school muscle car thrill. Let's dive into what makes each of these powerful machines unique and which might be better for you. When it comes to performance, both cars deliver excitement, but in different ways. The BMW M4, with its sophisticated engineering, offers a balanced and agile driving experience, perfect for carving corners. On the other hand, the Dodge Challenger, especially its higher performance variants, focuses on brute force and impressive straight-line acceleration, often boasting over 700 horsepower. Your preference for track precision versus raw power will guide your choice here. Inside, these vehicles present contrasting philosophies. The BMW M4 provides a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin, featuring high-quality materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems. It's designed for a premium, driver-focused experience. The Dodge Challenger, however, offers a more spacious and comfortable interior, particularly for rear passengers, with a design that pays homage to classic muscle cars. It prioritizes a robust, straightforward driving environment. Considering price and value, there are notable differences. The BMW M4 generally commands a higher starting price and can incur greater ownership costs over time. Conversely, the Dodge Challenger offers a broader range of models, making it accessible at various price points and often delivers exceptional horsepower for the money. Your budget and long-term ownership expectations will play a significant role in determining which car offers better value for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.